everyone. So the success slider is here up with another video on division of 3 and 4 digit numbers by 1 digit. And in this we'll be including questions that includes remainder. So in the previous video we have done dividing 1 and 2 digit number by 1 digit. But in this video we'll be including 3 and 4 digits. So let's start. So here the first question is 899 divided by 8. So let us see how we can divide this. So to divide, first we need to make a home. Inside home we'll be writing 899, that is our dividend. And outside this we'll be writing 8, that is our divisor. Now as we know that always we start dividing from the left hand side. So we will start with this 8. So we will see whether this 8 is divisible by 8 or not. So as we know that at one time 8 ones are 8. That means it is divisible. So we have written this 8 down, and now the next step is to subtract it. So let us subtract 8 and 8. So 8 and 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we will take this 9 down. Now we have to check whether this 9 is divisible by 8 or not. So as we know that 9 is not divisible by 8. So we have to take a smaller number. That is 8 ones are again 8. And now the next step is to subtract this again. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Now we have to take this 9 also down. Now this number has become 19. So 19 is not divisible by 8. So in that case what we will be doing, we will be taking a number that comes in the table of 8, but that should be smaller than 19. So that means it is 16, because 16 is divisible by 8. So 8 twos are 16. After that again we'll subtract. And after subtracting, 9 minus 6 is 3. So here we have come to our answer that our quotient here is 112 and remainder is 3. So it's time to cross check our answer. So we will use the same formula that we have used in our previous video, that is dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So as we know that our quotient is 112, our remainder is 3, and this 899, it is our dividend, and this 8 is our divisor. So now let us put the digit into the formula. So divisor is 8 multiplied by our quotient is 112 plus remainder is 3. So first we have to multiply the quotient and the divisor, and then only we have to add the remainder. So let us multiply this 8 and 112. So 8 multiplied by 112, it is 896. Then after that we'll be adding the remainder, that is 3. So our answer is 899. And as we know that our dividend is also the same, dividend is also 899. So here our left hand side and right hand side both are coming out to be same. That means our question is correct. Now let us move to the another question. So our next question is 3469 divided by 6. So in this also we'll be using the same method. to divide. So first we will be making home. Inside it we will be writing our dividend, that is 3469 divided by 6. That is our divisor. Now first we will begin with this 3. So as we know that 3 is smaller than 6, so it is not divisible by 6 at one go. So for that what we will do, we will be taking the first 2 digits, that is 34. So let us see whether 34 comes in the table of 6 or not. So as we know that 34 is not divisible by 6, so in that case we will be taking a smaller number, that is 6 5s are 30. So 5 we have written in quotient and 30 we have written down. Now the next step is to subtract the numbers. So 34 minus 30, that is 4. Now we will be taking the 6 down. Now this number has become 46. Now we have to check whether 46 comes in the table of 6 or not. And as we know that 46 is not divisible by 6, so we will be taking a smaller number again, that is 42. So 6 7s are 42. Now again we will subtract this. So 6 minus 2 is 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Now again in the next step we have to take this 9 down. Now this number has become 49. So since 49 is not divisible by 6 exactly, so we have to again take a smaller number, that is 48. So 6 8s are 48. And after subtracting this, we have reached to a remainder, that is 1. So here our quotient is 578 and our remainder is 1. So we have reached to our answer. So now it's the time to cross check our answer. So we will be again using the same formula, that is dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So all this will be looking from our solution only. So here our dividend is 3469. Then divisor is 6 multiply by quotient. So here the quotient is 578 plus remainder is 1. So now first we have to multiply these two, the divisor and the quotient, and then we have to add the remainder. So let us multiply the divisor and the quotient. So here 6 multiplied by 578. It is 3468. Now it's the time to add remainder to it. So remainder is 1. So we'll be finally adding this. So our answer is 3469. After adding the remainder, we have reached to this. And as we know that our dividend is also the same. So dividend is also the same, that is this 3469. That means our answer is correct. So I hope dividing by one digit is clear now. So in the next video, we'll see that how we can divide by 2-digit number. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.